with the solar tube, it's created so much more light, and we used to always have the lights on in here, but now we don't, and it's great. Almost feels a bit like Mr. Bean, you know. Beam into, yeah. Yeah, it's great.
The solar tubes have been a product for ours for over 10 years. The polished tubing is the most reflective on the market, and the patented light reflector on top ensures maximum performance. They're available in a range of sizes and diffusers to suit both room size and decor. 35 moulded plastic flashings to suit the roof profile, and what's more, we guarantee to light up your back passage.